Welcome back to Pilipinas Got Talent, ang most anticipated talent event sa buong mundo.
Ang greatest fight for 2 million pesos.
Ang pinakaseryosong labanan sa balat ng lupa kung saan itataya mo buhay mo, reputasyon mo, lahat na.
Ipupusta ang lahat. Makaapak lang sa stage. Tignan mo tong last contestant. Muntik na siya maging seryoso, di ba?
Hi.
Hello there.
Ano name mo?
Champ po.
Champ. Champ. Oh, nice name. Tagasan si Champ.
Taga Lapinig, Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte.
Ilan taong ka na, Champ?
24 years old.
Okay. Good luck, Champ. Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Sarangani Province, Philippines, the A Division World Champion, the best fighter in the world, Manny Pacman Pacquiao. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the former #1 pound-for-pound fighter in the world, 5-division world champion from Michigan, USA, the pretty boy, Floyd Mayweather Jr.
Parang ang layo ng weight class.
Correct.
Si Mayweather parang na-dengue.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the MGM Grand of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, Don King Promotions and Top Rank are proud to present the main event of the evening. The perfect match. 12 rounds of boxing in the super welterweight division. Brought to you in association with PGT Pay-Per-View and FMJ Promotions. In association with, sanctioned by the Nevada State Athletic Commission. And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, may the best man win. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okay.
Touch glove. And now, and still, the super welterweight champion of the world, Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Champ!
Po,
Bakit ang expression ng mukha mo blanco? Yung parang wala, poker face talaga.
Hindi ma'am, concentrate ako. Nag-concentrate.
Okay. Ano bang work mo?
Dati po akong pandesal, delivery, alarm boy in the morning.
Doon na-develop yung boses mo.
Opo.
Pagsigaw na, pandesal!
Mabait ang mukha mo. You have that aura na parang pang sakristan. Yung mabait.
Salamat
May
po.
girlfriend ka ba?
Special friend po.
Uy!
Ano yun?
Paano mo ilalarawan ng special friend? Ano na ba ang special friend ngayon?
Anong difference ang special friend at girlfriend?
Ang special friend ay nagbibigay ng mga advices, inspiration, words of inspiration. Alam niyo po ba na
Sige, turuan mo kami. Sige,
Alam
turuan
mo
mo
ba
kami.
ano?
gusto ko pong maging bahagi ng ABS-CBN Sports.
Anong klaseng ulat ang pwede mong ibigay sa amin ngayon?
May paparating na bagyo sa Pilipinas. Habang paparating ang bagyo sa Pilipinas, ang Pilipinas naman ay papalayo ng papalayo.
Okay. You have the voice, definitely. But you're auditioning to be a sportscaster or a newscaster
Or a ring announcer.
or a radio announcer. I feel, Champ, that this is the wrong venue for your talent. You should really go to ABS-CBN and apply. Meron kang boses eh. Medyo habaan mo lang ng konti pa yung Rumble.
Sir FMJ, pang-birthday na pang-birthday yun.
FMG, sa totoo lang,
Huwag mo akong takutin.
hindi. Highly appreciate your voice. Modulated.
Thank you, Champ.
Champ, dahil mukhang seryoso ka talaga sa talent mo, testingin nga natin kung ka-level mo ang mga ito.
Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble!
Sok pa ang mga kapamilya newscasters natin sa PGT.
Definitely, mga sir, you got it.
At sa'yo naman, champ, handa na ang resume. At good luck sa pag-apply, bro.
Isang malakas na palakpakan at sigawan para sa galing na Pinoy!
Bakit? Kasi hindi talaga naubusan ng YP. Maraming bago, maraming magaling, at maraming kung ano-ano na lang. At syempre, eto, sigurado ngayon pa lang, may kanya-kanya ng paborito. Lahat ng kapamilya, mula Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Kapamilya, make this your regular viewing habit. Kaya naman expect more of the unexpected.
Noipi, show the world what you've got. This is
Pilipinas Got Talent.
Hand me money, they don't understand. Well, I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense. What else can I do? And how can I move on when I'm still in love with you? Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'd come back here to the place that we meet, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Come back into the place that we meet. I'm not moving. Waiting for you on the corner of the street. And then one day you wake up and find that you're missing me. Your heart starts to wonder where on this earth